The guy down here feeding the fish. Look at him just attacking it. That's cool. We're gonna start the Deer Leap Trail. Bunch of stairs to start this one out. Do you like being taller? Stairs after stairs. You smiling baby. Just fell again. Climb out on these rocks. Go, Boogie! Oh yeah. You can see the whole process from here. The guy down here feeding the fish. Look at him just attacking it. That's cool. So here's the split that we will come. Jesus. So here's the split that we will come back to shortly. Because we will be coming back to the Fire Tower Trail. But we are going to take you to the overlook of the hatchery. That's on the Deer Leap Trail, which is the Green Blazers. If you just, and Boogie's just smiling away. Yeah.
Missouri has over 7,000 caves listed, with new ones discovered every year. There are caves in 79 of our 114 counties, mostly in the Ozarks.
And just like that, we are at the overlook. Aren't we, Bubby? Look out! Look out, Archer! Yeah, look at there. We'll come down here to the next floor.
Divers exploring the spring in 1979 found the remains of the undershot water wheel. You can see it below the surface of the spring pond.
I think it's somewhere down in this area.
Might be a little overgrown to see it now. Hold on. Oh, there's a fish on there.
We're starting the Fire Tower Trail now. Just around this rock formation, it will be more incline.
A lot more incline.
A lot more incline. Right here we started. A little out of breath. It's still a constant climb, but we wanted to tell you that when you're climbing the Fire Tower Trail, it is the White Blazers. Isn't that right, Archer? Isn't that right? But it's clearly marked. Roaring River State Park does a pretty good job on all these trails so far.
at the top of Fire Tower, it gives you the option to take the Nature Center trail, and that just takes you back down.
Or you can take the Fire Tower trail, which is what we are doing, and that's the 3.5-4 mile loop. And you've already done the hard part by climbing all that elevation. Now it's a nice, easy mountain, hill, whatever you want to call it, walk.
Beautiful hike.
The correction, we, on the white indicators back there earlier in the video that we had said was the Fire Tower trail, it's actually the connector trail between Deer Leap Trail and the Fire Tower. It connects the two, and we are kind of making it a loop. We're kind of connecting those two, and next, later in this video, we will be connecting the Riverwalk as well. So what you follow are these brown blazers on the Fire Tower trail. But again, Roaring River State Park, these trails are very well maintained. They do a great job, and they are clearly marked trails.
Also, don't forget to dispose your trash responsibly. We are thankful that we're able to walk these beautiful parks, and it's just not nice to see trash lying around. So if you see any trash, pick it up and keep these parks beautiful.
Very well said. I mean, we are thankful that we can hike such beautiful, beautiful places and be in nature every day. We just need to keep it the way we find it. Pick up your trash. Look up there. Just hanging out in the hammock. Oh, that's how you relax right there. Hi, buddy. Hey, Archer. Made it to the top of the Fire Tower.
Coming up here is not for those that are scared of heights, as the stairs, you can see through them all the way up. It is also bent in the stairs, so you kind of have to squeeze through a little bit. But it's beautiful up here.
And this is the top, and that down there is the trail. Starting the downhill. You do got to be careful up here. I mean, these rocks are kind of slippery. Yeah, they're loose. Hey, buddy! Pretty cool little spot. Look at that rock formation over there. And we're coming up on some rocks up here. Hi, Archer! Can you wave? Archer, wave! Such a beautiful place. This is a beautiful hike. It's a beautiful day too.
Look at this view. We definitely need to come in the fall It'd be beautiful.
Yeah, these colors on these hills would be popping.
Just like where we stayed last night.
Oh yeah, absolutely. At Mark Twain.
Yeah, we'll put that picture in here too.
Dang, look at those rolling hills. We are at the road crossing now. Right down there's the road, if you can see it. This is technically where the Fire Tower Trail starts, I believe. We took the Deer Leap and we took that portage route, I guess you can say, connection route, and we went up to the Fire Tower Trail. But I think right down here is where it starts, and we will get that. We'll take a picture of that and post it in the video as well. The trail's right there, and there is, if you take this way out into this little field here, if you feel like taking a break or something, there's a little picnic area right through here. If you wanna relax and maybe have a little family picnic or something, there's a fire ring.
Also, another shout out to Nike, not sponsored. These are one of our other favorite hiking shoes. They're the Zegamas.
They're super comfy.
They are. All of this is cushion. It just feels like you're walking there. They have good traction. Everything.
Thanks, Nike.
Cool shoes, cool hike. Those are the parts behind where
Across the road there, that nice gentleman about slammed on his brakes and had people rear-ending to let it cross. Nice fella. And then you take this and it continues the Fire Tower Trail. So just to kind of keep you guys kind of updated on the trail situation, we are currently connecting the Fire Tower Trail to the River Walk Trail. So what we're doing is we just passed the cleaning station for all the fish that you catch. You come down here and you clean them, and we're walking through the fly rod area, which is over in that area, and it runs all through here. But we're currently walking through Campground 3 that is closed because they are doing remodeling for it, making it all full hookups and everything. But we are walking through it, and we're going to cross over the highway here pretty soon, and it connects us to the Riverwalk Trail. But this connects the Riverwalk Trail, and you go right through there. And right there's a sign. Kind of tells you that you're getting close to a hiking trail. And this is technically the official start of the river trail, which on this trail you will follow the Yellow Blazers. But again, it's a clearly marked trail. Roaring River does a fantastic job. That's why they call it the River Walk. They just walk alongside the river all the way back to the old lodge. Right alongside this rock wall. It's pretty neat. Pretty cool. technically on the Riverwalk Trail. Still on the Riverwalk Trail, technically. And now we're gonna come up here and hop back onto the Deer Leap Trail, which is gonna complete our loop. And I believe it's where, see those people coming down the stairs, if you can see that far. Look at that big old fish. Here is the Deer Leap Trail. Up we go. So to give you a rundown of what we did, we come like over in this area. We started the Deer Leap. We came up here. We came here first. We went back to the Fire Tower Trail. Went around the Fire Tower Trail. Exited by the fly rod section over by the nature, kind of around the nature center cleaning station. We went through the campground 3, over the bridge, back over the road, hooked on to the Riverwalk Trail, took the Riverwalk all the way back up to the CCC Lodge, and then from the CCC Lodge hooked onto the Deer Leap Trail, which brings us back to this overlook